I wasn't too sure about this at first. So this came from Amazon, and it's a cat eye chrome. So it's a magnetic powder, and it's really pretty and shimmery. In fact, I'm editing a set I did with not these, but a chrome powder, and you'll see that coming soon. There are 3 sparkling, and I do mean sparkling colors. And you saw the black gel to use as a base coat, and this brush must be for that. So it does have this magnet. And guys, I've been waiting for this particular magnet for a while now. This has some weight, and it looks and feels like it has some draw power too. Look, I'm playing with it, trying to see if the magnetic can work through the container. So happy. So yeah, I had to figure this out, because it's a little different. And while I'm opening this, real quick, has anyone been experiencing a lot of glitch problems with YouTube? Because I recently saw a video, and some of the things they talked about, I've been noticing. So I have these 3 stands for nails to swatch. I better look at this again. Now, how do I do this? Okay, I apply base coat. Any base coat is fine. I use Born Pretty because it was already on my desk, and I cured it for 30 seconds. Then the black base color. And you know what? This is another item that I had gotten actually way before I started back in school. So I am trying to remember what I did. But I did apply 2 coats, even though you'll only see 1, and cured each coat for 60 seconds. So you're supposed to lay some top coat. And remember me talking about that top coat from the Mifa cream gels in my last unboxing? I chose it because I said it was lightweight, and I had calculated that the cat eye would shift easily through it, and it did. Wait till you see. But yeah, you're supposed to mix some powder in with the top coat. Another thing, I was somewhat disappointed in these containers because there was barely any powder. Then I started realizing I more than likely used too much, so keep in mind with these, a little does go a long way. And you know what? The colors are definitely cheating you through camera view because these are so gorgeous and shimmery. You'll get a closer look. So for the first one, I went full coverage so I could see how much time I could play with it, because as we know, most cat eyes do settle after a little time, and you'd have to apply more to bring the look back. And guys, look, this brilliance is insane. I'm sure the magnet has a lot to do with it too, but I know I haven't seen a cat eye that's this radiant. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is why I wanted this magnet. Look, it's making that color dance around on that nail. This is almost hypnotizing. So I wanted to try a French, and it ain't gonna be perfect because we're just playing around, but I saw this pull effect look from a French tip. I don't know how to describe it because all I saw was a picture, but I'm glad I'll be able to play around with this magnet until I get the look I'm going for. I didn't manage to figure out how to get it though, but I decided to play around for an effect until I liked it. Isn't this stunning? I am gonna have to get some more of this, and if you like this, which I'm not sponsored, I purchased this myself. I'll be sure to have the link in my description. So this time a random pattern. Oh, and before I forget, I cured each layer 60 seconds. This stuff has that wow factor, doesn't it? Now the two greens look very similar, which it would have been nice to get a totally different color, but one does have more of an aqua blue tone. And remember, I did say maybe I used more than I needed, but I'm loving the look it's giving. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this, here's another one to enjoy of the Mifa cream gels. But before you go, remember to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, because I can't wait to see you in the next one. Much love.